Created 86 years ago, the first IWC Mark IX watches were designed by pilots for pilots. An easy-to-read dial that got straight to the point was exactly what a pilot needed while in the cockpit, and the Mark IX offered that and nothing more. 86 years later, IWC made sure not to change what isn't broken with their newest pilot's watches, the Mark XX and the Pilot's Watch Chronograph 43. Making the next leap in their Pilot's Watch line, IWC has brought some very welcomed upgrades to their entry-level model. When you get up close, the upgrades to a classic are subtle, but truly provide a better experience for the customer. On the outside, the new case features a shortened lug length, allowing for better fitment of the still 40mm case. On the back, we see a new upgraded quick change strap system that IWC has been introducing slowly across their Pilot's line as well. Additionally, you may have also noticed the upgraded water resistance, now a full 100 meters instead of the previous 60. With that said, the biggest changes are at the heart of the Mark XX. IWC has upgraded the internals to the in-house caliber 32111, which brings with it a new 5-day power reserve. The new Mark XX will come in at $5250, just a few $100 over the outgoing Mark XVIII with a lot more to offer. Coming alongside the Mark XX, IWC is making similar changes to the classic Pilot's Watch Chronograph 43. When IWC introduced the in-house caliber chronographs in 41mm, many wondered if it would be the end of the large case size, but we're glad to see the improvements made to the 41mm model brought back to its bigger brother. Housing the in-house caliber 69385, the 43mm chronograph has the same sapphire caseback and same 100-meter water resistance as we saw in the 41mm models. On the outside, the only change to the Pilot's Chronograph 43 is the introduction of the new quick change strap system. Like they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Available today in black and blue colorways, the newest addition to the IWC Pilot's Watch family will bring with them welcomed improvements without changing what makes them a classic. For more information about the new Mark XX or Pilot's Watch Chronograph 43, as well as the rest of our IWC lineup, follow the link in the description, and subscribe to stay up to date on what's new in the watch world.